Okay, the next step that we're going to do is we've used the different parts of the nebulizer, and we're going to do a cleaning. And you need to do this between every time that you use the nebulizer. So I know sometimes with my children it would be a couple of times a day. You want to take it apart first by disengaging the hose from the other components of the nebulizer. And again, as I'd mentioned earlier, do not wash the hose. Don't do anything with it. You don't ever want to get any kind of water in here because that could, if it doesn't dry properly, it could lead to an infection. And so you definitely don't want to do anything with the hose. Only replace it when it's starting to get worn or torn. The other parts, what we're going to do is we're going to just take some regular clean tap water. And I've got some dish detergent that you use to wash your dishes with. You want to use a non-lemon. The lemon kind of detergent could be something that might weaken the materials that are getting washed, the plastics. Put them in there. You don't necessarily have to soak them for any great deal. You're just going to be rinsing them just good so that they're getting a nice cleaning with the soapy water.